nice to see you. Today we are gonna draw a cute Stitch from Lilo and Stitch cartoon. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and you won't miss my new lesson. Now let's look at the picture. We can see the head, the ears, the body, the arms, the legs, the eyes, the nose, the mouth, and the top knot. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, body, arms, legs, ears, eyes, nose, and mouth. Now let's start drawing. The first step we are gonna draw is the head. Just spot on your paper you like. I will start over here on the top of the paper and draw a big circle. Come around, come back, up to the top and connect it. Wow, I like your line. Keep it up. Then let's draw the ears. Draw two horizontal line, short horizontal line on the left side of the hair and on the same level on the right side. Then draw a big arc. Repeat after me. I start over here, go up, curve, go down and connect it with this line. Then let's draw the same step on the left side. I start over here, come up, curve, down and connect. Then let's draw two curves on the left side over here, the first and the second. That's the way. I like your lines. Then let's draw the same thing on the left side, the first curve and the second. Now let's add crack in the ear. I draw upside down V shape on the right side and backwards V shape on the left side over here. If you draw with a pencil, these lines can be erased with eraser. Or smear with a white pen or corrector. Then let's draw the nose. Draw a curve in the middle of the head. Then another curve under this curve. Then two small curves on the right side and on the left side. Then let's draw the mouth. I draw long curve. I start over here on the left side and go to the right. Then let's draw another curve under this line. A big curve. Now let's add the tongue with two small curves, this first and the second. And let's draw the teeth. 4 V shape on the top of the mouth. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And backwards V shape on the bottom of the mouth. Let's count the first, the second, the third, and the fourth. Now it's time to draw eyes. Let's draw two big circles on the left side and on the right side. Then let's add a highlight. I draw a small circle on the left eye and in the left eye and in the right eye. And let's color it and leave these little circles white. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. I believe in you. two brows higher than eyes. And go in a little bit, we'll settle them. On the right side and on the left side. Then let's draw another circle under the brows on the left side, on the right side. Then draw two curves under the nose, the first and the second. You're doing good. Keep on trying. And it's time to draw arms. I draw big U shape over on the left side and on the right side, big U shape. Then draw two curves over here on the bottom of the arms. And now let's draw the body. Draw diagonal line on the left side and on the right side. Then we are gonna draw legs. I draw a circle on the left side over here. Repeat after me. The circle is next to the body but does not touch all the lines. Now let's connect them. Diagonal line on the bottom of the circle and over here. Then let's draw the same thing on the right side. Circle that doesn't touch all the lines. Then connect them with diagonal lines on the top and on the bottom. Then draw another circle inside the legs. And let's add claws. 4 claws in the legs. Draw 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the left leg and 4 on the right leg. Then draw 3 triangles over here on the left arm. The 1, 2, 3, and the same thing on the right arm. And let's add the top knot. Draw 3 arcs on the top of the head. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you did it! I like your stitch. It's so cute. I hope you can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Tag me in photo Nanny Julie art. I will see you drawing and answer to show your message. Also, you can download and print my cute coloring page. All links in the description under the video. Now let's coloring together. You can choose any color you like. The first color is blue, and I draw a light blue spot from the eyebrow and around the eye and color it inside. And let's draw the same thing on the left side. Draw a big blue spot from the eyebrow and around the eye and color it inside. If you missed a spot, fill in it with color. Then I choose blue for belly and coloring inside. Pink for tongue, tracing, and coloring inside. I choose brown and red for this part of mouth. I mixed these colors. Tracing with brown color and coloring inside. Then I choose red and coloring inside again. Then I choose black for this part of nose. Then I choose gray and dark blue for nose and this part of legs. The first color is gray. I'm tracing and coloring inside. Tracing and coloring inside. Then I choose dark blue and coloring. Then I choose gray again and coloring again nose and this part of legs. Then I choose violet and pink for this part of ears and mix these colors. Tracing again. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. And coloring inside. Then I choose pink and coloring again. Tracing again on the right side. And coloring inside. Then pink again and coloring inside the ear. And I choose blue for body and head. Wow, high five! You're doing great. I like your stitch. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and fun paper games. All links in the description under the video. See you. Bye bye.